topic, which is work from home. Two very popular books, and it's amazing. But I have attention to get.
Good morning, everyone. Hi, my name is Yana. If you're new here, welcome. I make lifestyle content, post-grad content, 9 to 5, job-related content. My full-time job is a mental health therapist, and I work hybrid, so I work 3 days from home, 2 days in the office. But I did kind of switch my schedule around just a little bit, so Mondays are going to be reserved mainly for paperwork and like admin related stuff. The bulk of my client work will be Tuesday through Friday. So yes, so today is Monday and I have like a really chill day. I do have to catch up on some paperwork, which I'll do that, but I wanted to have like a really productive Monday. So this morning I woke up, put on a podcast. I love how the Manifest by Tori DeSimone podcast comes out on Mondays. It's just a really great start to my morning. I made like my Ghost electrolyte drink and chugged water, and then I changed into workout clothes, went to my apartment gym for like a 30-minute workout. I just got back. My legs are shaking. I made a protein shake with the 1UP cookies and cream protein. It's honestly the best protein powder I've tasted. Like, it's genuinely good, and I was skeptical, but it's good. And I got the cookies and cream protein shake and I mixed it with the Fairlife chocolate milk. So good. I got the idea from Brooke's workouts on TikTok. So yeah, anyways, I'm just going to finish my protein shake, hop in the shower, and then change into some comfy sweats because I don't see clients today, so I can just be chill. And then I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get an iced coffee and then come back and do my work, and then we'll see where the day takes us. But yeah, just a really productive Monday morning. I love having this like ease into the week, especially because the rest of my week is really busy. So yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna, like I said, finish my protein shake, hop in the shower, and I'll talk to you guys when we go on our little coffee run. All right, I just got out of the shower. Ignore my hair, but I'm about to hop in the car and pick up some Starbucks. I'm trying this new order, which I'll share with you once I get back, but let's go. Okay, we're back, got Starbucks. Also, my hair it's drying. I don't know if you can tell, but it's very beachy, wavy. But I got a venti ice shaken espresso with almond milk, sugar-free vanilla cinnamon dolce, and pumpkin cold foam on top. It's so good, amazing, delicious, love it. Perfect start to my day. But now I'm gonna log into work for a few hours, catch up on paperwork, and then I will talk to you guys after that. Hey everyone, so I just finished my work for the day. It was pretty productive. I finished a bunch of paperwork, and basically, if you don't know, as a therapist, you have to do paperwork after you meet with a client, whether it's progress notes, or if you meet with a first-time client, then you do diagnostic assessments. So I completed one DA and a bunch of progress notes from Friday. So yeah, it felt good to get caught up on that. And the rest of my week is busy because tomorrow I believe I have 5 clients and 2 meetings. Wednesday I have supervision and 5 clients, 2 meetings, and then Thursday I have 7 clients. So yeah, and then Friday I took PTO because I am traveling for a funeral. This week is just gonna be pretty crazy, but I'm glad that today has been like a slow start to the week. Since I'm done with work, and I also got ready a little bit. I'm still wearing sweats because I want to be comfy, but I just put on a little bit of makeup just to feel a little more presentable. I find that like working from home, even if I don't have client facing days or meetings, like still, even on the weekends, sometimes just putting on a little bit of makeup helps me feel productive, or just changing into new comfy clothes rather than being in pajamas. Just, yeah, and I try to do work at my desk. Sometimes I'll do paperwork on the couch, but I never try to like go into my bedroom when I work from home at all. Like even during my lunch break or something, I just really designate this space for work because it keeps my mind focused. But yeah, this drink was really good. I'm going to leave my apartment. I try to leave my apartment at least once a day, especially in the days that I work from home. So I think I'm just gonna go and walk around to Marshall's. I kind of want to see if they have any cute like to-do lists or something, like a desk calendar or something like that. Yeah, just look around. Who knows, might get something, might not. But yeah, and then I'm going to come home and I'll probably make dinner, and I have to throw in a load of laundry. Adulthood just like never ends. I feel like there's always something to do. Like there's always something to clean, something to wash, an errand to run, something to pay, something to do. I also need to check my mail. I haven't checked my mail in a little bit, so we need to do that. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave my apartment, walk around Marshall's. It looks like a beautiful day outside. I was considering going on a walk, but my legs are like, feel like spaghetti noodles from this morning's workout. I did legs and glutes, and I just did, basically what I do is I go on TikTok and I look up dumbbell, because my apartment gym is pretty small, so it doesn't have a lot of machines, but I will look up, they have a lot of dumbbells, so I'll look up like dumbbell or kettlebell leg glute workouts and just do those. And then I always start with like a warm-up, and it just makes me feel so good. And there's rarely anyone in the gym, which is really nice. But yeah, I feel like it was a great start to my day. I'm gonna try to do it again tomorrow, but I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. I'm not gonna put pressure on myself, but yeah, anyways, let's leave my apartment. And yeah, at the very least, it's just nice to get out and drive. I don't know, like, plus the leaves are changing color. It's just so pretty out, so I want to enjoy it, because next week it's gonna be in the 40s and 30s degrees, and today it's 60, so let's enjoy it. My steering wheel is so high up and it like it bothers me because you can only see my head. But we made it to Marshall's. That was a nice drive. This Marshall's is a little bit far away from me, and by far away I mean like 20 minutes, so really not that bad, but it was nice having a little bit of a drive. Just enjoying every ounce of fall, because winter will be here before we know it, and I'm not looking, well, part of me is looking forward to it, because my goal this winter is to romanticize the heck out of winter. I just want to like create this like cozy, comforting environment like within my apartment, and I want to get more like mood lighting and just more blankets and comforting things, read books and have cozy clothes, and just embrace the vibes of coziness. So yeah, I'm trying to spin it into a positive, because every year I'm like, I hate winter, but you know what, I need to practice gratitude and appreciation for every season, because we all need every season. Let's go to Marshall's. I am not really going in there with the intention of buying anything, but we'll see. I didn't find anything, but honestly that's okay because saving money. But it was still really fun to just look around. I did look at some apartment stuff and they did have some cozy blankets and pillows. Like I found these throw pillows I really liked, but they were like $40 and I'm like, that's a little much for me. But you know, I'm gonna think about them, and then if I still want them, I'll get them. It was still really fun, but I'm kind of getting hungry, so I'm just going to head home and make some dinner. I have like General Tso's like chicken, the Trader Joe's one, so I figured I would cook that with some rice, really quick, easy dinner, and have a chill evening. Sorry if it's loud, but I'm about to do my skincare. Honestly, I feel like my dryer's too loud. But yeah, I'm gonna remove my makeup, do my skincare, and then I want to make a sleepy time tea, and then do a little chit chat with you maybe, and a journaling thing. So basically I was as I was falling asleep, I was listening to a YouTube video because I do that, and I know I need to break that habit because I don't want my phone by me when I sleep, but I'm addicted. I just can't. Like, I love scrolling in bed, and you're not supposed to do that, so I'm trying to at least shorten my time doing that, so I'm not doing it until like midnight, so I can get to bed at a recent time. So small steps, I am trying. I always like to remove my makeup with the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing. This is the rose water and glycerin one. I don't know, I just use this one. I know they have other ones, but I like this one. But yeah, so I was listening to this video and it was talking about kind of manifestation, but also just like the life that you want and like how to achieve that. And it starts by, I look ridiculous, I look so funny in the viewfinder, but of how to just act as if what you want you already have. So it said like to do a journal entry of your dream life and act as if that's your life. And obviously I take everything with a grain of salt, but I think there is like truth to, whether it's through prayer or saying affirmations or whatever it is, of putting out what you want. Because at the beginning of this year, or of 2023, I made a list of goals or things that I wanted to happen this year, and I just looked back at them because I had them in my journal, and I realized I accomplished so many of them. Like, I wanted to graduate, get a full-time job, which I did. I got, honestly, the dream job that I've dreamed since I was in high school, being a therapist. And I really wanted my own apartment, and I got it. And not only that, but I got like the apartment that I wanted. Like I don't know, like there's so many things that really aligned, and I truly believe like everything happens for a reason. And I mean, not gonna lie, this year has been really hard in a lot of ways with like personal stuff, family stuff, but it's also like in terms of me and my growth, I'm just like really proud of myself. And like I said, it's not hard. I mean, it's not easy. Like there's been so many challenges this year, some good, some bad, but I just like can't believe like truly, like I just look at where I am and I'm like, wow, my 16-year-old self would be so freaking proud of me. Like I wish I could go back and tell her, you're doing it, you're gonna do it. And it makes me excited for like what's to come. But yeah, I don't know why I got into such an inspirational tangent, but yeah, I've been feeling like so inspired and trying to create a work-life balance with my job. And yeah, I definitely do think like the first year, because for me, I got my master's degree, and it took me 3 years, and while I was getting my master's degree, I lived at home and I had an internship, went to class, worked, and had so much going on. And there was always like an accomplishment, something to work towards. And then I graduated, and while a lot of people like do that when they graduate college, like for me it was postponed 3 years because of being in grad school. And I'm just I'm gonna put these on for a sec because I literally can't see, but I'm just so grateful for how everything turned out. Like everything happened when it's meant to be. Like yeah, when I graduated college and started grad school, I was like, ugh, like I want to move out, I want to do this and that, why isn't it happening? But I just had to be patient because it happened. So that's something that I learned. But anyways, I'm gonna wash my face. Okay, so I've used this before. I love it so much. It's the Bioma Balancing Face Mist, and you can spray it on your face. I also go with a cotton pad because even if you wash your face and double cleanse, I feel like there's always residue from the day. So this is just nice to get any last bit of stuff off of your face. Wow, my camera stopped recording and I didn't realize, but skincare is all done. And I'll brush my teeth and all that once I drink my tea. And I love using this Vaseline as like a chapstick. It's like the only chapstick that actually works.